How's it going, Afros? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not the first time I've got a motovlog starting from that fuel station, because this thing absolutely drinks. It's a guzzler compared to the 701. Anyway, so I'm heading out to meet a few friends. I brought out the R1, and then one of them's going to be on a Ducati 899s, I think it is. And then another's going to be on a CBR 650R, which is like, oh, he's done a good job with that bike. Looks sick. Yeah, so we're going to be doing some rollers on the freeway and stuff like that, and a few cinematic videos. So I've got my main camera, and I've also got my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm meeting them under the bridge at Mill Point Road. It's a pretty popular spot for bike photos and car photos. I've seen a few JDM cars there. So prior to getting the Osmo Pocket 3, I had an Insta360 cam, the X4, the latest version. Has all the bells and whistles, really good camera, but it just didn't sit well with the way I capture my videos. Like, you can't fit ND filters easily so you can get that natural motion blur. In post-production, you can add the motion blur on the Insta360 cams, but it's just not the same. It's all computerized. Anyway, we're almost at the point. Yeah, see, we already got some JDM cars. Yeah, so this here is the Swan River. Over there is the Perth City, Mounts Bay Road, and there's Kings Park over there. Looks like a nice wallpaper if you got this at like sunset or sunrise. I'm a sucker for symmetry, not cemetery. So yeah, stick around, and if you have any questions for the setup, any questions for the editing part, just let me know. I'm more than happy to help. So I used to have a gimbal for my mirrorless camera in the bag, but then it's just a lot to carry around, and then also easier to frame a shot and to just actively track with this little camera. Hey, look who decided to show up. What's up, boss?
That was a long ride. What's that? Are we gonna do some standstills?
Yeah, or even here. Because the good thing about here is we don't have cars in the background, whereas there's better lighting.
Maybe even like have it up here.
Up here? Yeah. The only problem is that thing there, the bin. Come have a look on this side. I like the lines on the top, you see that? that looks sick, man. Even just here, but it's just those bins. Who put those there? Okay, so we've got the DJI Osmo Pocket running on the back. The boys are ready to go. I've got active track on there. Let's make magic. Oh, this is gonna look nice.
Not much cars. I'm probably gonna jump in the third line.
Yeah, all done with the rollers. So the boys and I stopped for a drink and got to review the footage. There's Kev on his 899. Beautiful looking bike. So all the rolling shots were done in portrait mode. Actually, most of the videos that we did today were in portrait. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you around. Peace.